Hello, I am Prameela. So in this video, I am going to explain about portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So for that, first I am creating a folder with name photo. So to write this code, I have already installed Visual Studio Code. So in this, I am opening a folder which I have created with name photo. And here I am creating a file. First file with name index.html to write HTML code, and next file with name style.css to write CSS code, and the another file with name script.js to write JavaScript code. So these are the three files I have created. So first let's start with HTML code. So this is the basic part of HTML. Here in title I have given the name Modern Portfolio website, and in this line I have linked the CSS file to this HTML file, and these are the some links to represent the location, LinkedIn, contact and some details related to that. So here in body I have created a division classes. This is about the navigation bar and the heading, and in heading I have given the home, about, skills, resume and contact. So this is the matter about that. And next, coming to the next section. So this is the home section. So here also I have created a division classes with name, home, content, and I have given some content as hi, hello, welcome to my website. And this is a section about, this is the about section. Here in division classes I have given the title name as about me, and I have added a image profile of mine, and in right side I have given the photo to the left side, and in the right side, as we can see here in division class, to the column right side I have given the text about myself. This is the about myself, and some of my matter. Next, coming to the skills section. So this is the skills that I have known. Here also I have created a division classes, and here I have given some information about my skills and experience. And in this line I have added a read mode, which we can see the option of read more. So when we click on that, we can go, the page will take us to the more details about this skills and experience. So in column right side, I have given certain skills which I have known, and with some percentage, I have represented them with some percentage. As we can see in C with the 80% data structure, 70 HTML 65 and following, CSS 50 and JavaScript with 60 percentage. Here in certain division classes, I have wrote the skills. And next, coming to the next section, this is the resume section. Here in section class, I have given the title name as my resume, and in left side first, I have created the text related all the details as which we can add in the resume. And this is the main part in division class, the main text with the heading name, career objective, and some objective, career objective related some matter, and following same in head, the heading with education, technical skills and related some matter to that. So in this all division classes I have given all the details which I have added in my resume. And this is the contact section, in which people can contact me by giving their name, mail ID, and etc. So here in class, I have given the title name as Contact Me, and to the left section, I have given all my details, name, address, email ID, LinkedIn. I have added the link of my LinkedIn here, and my mail ID, and my medium link, and etc. So here I have added the message me. So this will directly send me the message by clicking on this bar. And here this is the some matter which we can write about this JavaScript. So once we can go to the output. So this is all the output we are getting as we have added all this in the HTML file. So now we have done with HTML. So to get the styling and etc., we have to go with CSS. So now let's start with CSS file. So this is so here in CSS file first we have given this link. This is the link related to the font or the font alphabets. For that I have given the margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing as border box, and decoration as none. And this is the line for scrolling. This is for scroll bar. I have given with certain width background. I have adjusted with some colors and etc. And next coming to the service skills and contact. This is this section with the different sections. For different sections, I have given the different colors and different headings. And this is for navigation bar. This is the styling for navigation bar. I have given with position fixed with 100% and following some background and the font size, weight, transition, style, and etc. This is the all about for navigation bar. And next coming to the menu, for the styling of menu. So here is the styling for menu. For as we can scroll up the screen, for that I have adjusted the position fixed height as 45 pixels and width with 42 pixels, background as this crimson red color, right to the 30 pixels, bottom 10, and the following matter to that scroll bar. And next coming to the styling for home section, I have here I have added the image to no repeat center and color given as white, background attachment font family. And for home content, for content I have adjusted depending upon the matter and etc. So this is the all about home section. And next coming to the about section. For about at the left side and right side, I have given with certain height, width, and with a certain background, display, padding, and etc. And next coming to the skills section. So this is the styling for skills section. I'm given the background with red color and adjusted the font size with 18 pixels, padding with 8 pixels and 16 pixels, and the border radius with 6 pixels, and some background colors and margin bottom, and some stylings to the skills section. And next coming to the contact section, I have adjusted the font size with 20 pixels, font weight with 600, margin bottom with 10 pixels. And these are some stylings I have did for the contact section. And next coming, and this is the matter related as we have also wrote the code for JavaScript. Let me write it later. So for that, some of the styling, and these are the responsive media For that also I have given with certain background, and depending upon the image I have adjusted the height, width and etc. So this is the all about CSS file, and I have also added a bit of JavaScript. So let me write that also. So this is a bit of a JavaScript I have added here. So this is for navigation bar. This is for scroll up button. I have added a add class with name show and remove class with a show, and this is for slide up as we can move the slides up. And for texting also I have given with certain names and I have adjusted with certain inches, and this is the all about the JavaScript. So now we can add the pictures here. So the first picture, the background, and the another one, the profile photo of mine. Let's just see the. So this is the overall output we have created. So this is the image which we have added in the background with some matter related to it. So hi, hello, welcome to my website, and these are the headings. And this is the about section which I have added a profile photo of mine and some matter related to myself, and these are some of my skills with certain percentages. And here I have added a read more option, so when we click on it, it will take us to the more information related to my skills. And this is the about my resume, and this is the contact section, so that when people want to contact me, they will write their details, they will fill the details and click on the send message, so it will directly get contact with me. So this is the overall output we have created. So here I have created a bar with when we click on resume, it will take us to the certain page and following to the all other. So this is the overall output. Thank you for watching.